it's not just stop the aging. We've been actually able to restore function they had when they were younger. So in some sense, you can call it like reversing the aging, right? But, I'll give you an example. So like your skin, when we all start as like a single cell, like a fertilized egg, right? And we're dividing and our skin and bones and like brain, everything kind of develops. Like in our skin, we have this thing called the extracellular matrix, which is kind of like this protein structure. It's not the cells themselves, but it's kind of like, you probably heard about collagen and these different, so it kind of gives your skin like that flexibility and springiness. And over time, that the ECM, the extracellular matrix, kind of can deteriorate, right? So this is like a big open question. If we restore your skin cells to be like they were when they were 20, are they actually going to go in there and maintain and repair the extracellular matrix so your skin stays like really springy? Or are they just going to be like aged, are they just going to be young cells, but on an aging extracellular matrix? We don't really know. We got to go run these experiments. Another example would be like, people who they have like scarring on their liver. That's called like fibrosis, right? If you damage your liver, it develops this kind of like scar tissue. And one of the experiments we've kind of running recently is like if you reprogram your liver cells to back when they were younger, maybe your liver cells are young, but it's the scar tissue is still there. This is still too early to say, but like some of the data we've been seeing indicates that the young cells can actually like repair or disintegrate the scar tissue.
Wow.
So we don't know yet, but like there's a possibility that if we actually are able to successfully restore these cells back to the younger state, that they'll just like kind of maintain and restore. Like, I'll give you one other kind of interesting data point. Like, baby, there's a thing called like, I think it's called like prenatal surgery, right? Like where a baby in the womb can actually get some kind of surgery to repair something. And when the baby's born, they don't have any scars from the surgery. Or even you see this sometimes with like really young kids, like if they get like a part of their finger chopped off or something, it's like a kind of horrific thing, but there are accidents like this. If it happens when they're really young, like 2 years old, a lot of it will grow back, right? And so our bodies, like there is something in our biology which has the ability to like regenerate tissue, to even regrow like a piece of a finger. And if we can unlock that capability in adults, like we know it's possible because it's happening when we're younger. So why can't we turn that back on? It might be possible in adults. It's not like some completely it's impossible thing. There's sort of an existence proof. It happens at some point in our life. So why couldn't it happen later in our life? That's what we're trying to find out.